If you skip this ad, you're going to miss out the opportunity to work smart and earn online with your own curated fitness store. So watch this. I'm going to share with you how my student Becky launched her site less than 10 days ago. She's a single mother of 3, got laid off during COVID, and now in the past 10 days she's earned over $1,700 in her pocket working smart. Now I make no guarantees of anything, but the opportunity is there. How much money can you make with a fitness store if you don't have a fitness store? Well, that's a simple question. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you all the features of Becky's website, one step at a time. At any time, you can click this banner ad right now and go to Becky's website, explore the features, which I'll explain to you in just a second. And then there's a banner ad there to go to my website for special offer. Becky did not create this content. This content was curated using my back-end software and keywords. She brought in videos from YouTube and also curated articles that she can use for her blog. Again, this is working smart, one step at a time. So let me explain to you. So she has all these blog articles. So as an example, ballet bar blog. Now, the cool thing about how this site is set up, keep in mind, I've been earning online since 1995. I know what works, I know what sells, and I know how to earn online, and I want to share that concept with my students. So as an example, so as you're reading this blog about ballet bar, and they talk about point shoes. Now again, complete working smart. So you'll notice that the word point shoes is hyperlinked. Now this is very important. You don't have to jump through hoops. In the back end, you simply define different keywords. And in this particular case, this will go to Amazon or any website that you're an affiliate of, and you'll earn a commission. So Becky earns money by working smart. Now, I don't know if you're aware of this. Once you go to a website from your website, whether it's Williams-Sonoma, Amazon, Saks Fifth Avenue, it doesn't matter. Many of you don't know what I'm about to share with you. Once you trigger that website from your website, you'll automatically be paid a commission for anything they buy. In fact, I'll go one better. As long as you're signed up for that affiliate program, whether it's Williams-Sonoma, Dick's Sporting Goods, Saks Fifth Avenue, Lululemon, doesn't matter. Once you trigger from your website to their website, any purchase you'll get credit for. In fact, I'll go one better. So in the eyes of Amazon, as an example, if you go to Amazon to buy ballet shoes, but then you realize, hey, I'm out of coffee, and you get totally distracted, you're still going to get commission for the coffee. In fact, even if they quit the browser, go directly to Amazon tomorrow, you're going to get credit for it because your cookies are stored on that person's browser. And that's working smart, one step at a time. So I offer 100% free training. I don't do webinars. I don't use your email address. I'm not going to spam you. If you simply click this link right here and go to Becky's website, check out all the bells and whistles and the features. That site was built in less than 5 minutes. In fact, once you go to my site from Becky's site, I will share with you a step-by-step video on how Becky's site was built in less than 5 minutes. Now, full disclosure, once the site was set up, she needed to customize it and add different features. It took her about a half hour to 45 minutes. From there on, the site is on autopilot because my software will basically curate content 3 to 4 times a day based on your preferences. So all I expect you to do at this point is click the banner ad, go check out Becky's website, go to my website, and you'll get a $50 off coupon. Now again, full disclosure, if you buy something from Becky's website or any of my students' websites, they earn a 20% commission. You'll have the same opportunity. So go to Becky's website, go to my website, complete free how-to training. I don't need your email address. I don't need to spam you. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I can assure you, absolutely nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So as you know, there's a lot of snake oil, get-rich-quick nonsense out there. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. I made tons of mistakes. I wasted tons of money. But let me share with you how to finally work smart the right way with your own fitness store. In fact, I have curated hundreds of websites myself. I have over 57,000 students that have joined my program since 1995. It didn't happen overnight. I'm here to help you every step of the way. But like I said before, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Stay safe, stay home, stay positive. Carpe diem 2020.